How we doing, everybody? Opal Baba Ganoush here. Wednesday, April 18th, start of week 6. Day 36?
Day 36.
Day 36. Sounds about right. I'll check later. I don't know. But here we are at Over Mountain Shelter right now. We actually stayed at a campsite a couple miles south from here. You know, yesterday, just feet were cold. They were soaking wet. The temperature started dropping, and we couldn't keep our feet warm anymore just from hiking. So we pulled up at just a stealth campsite. You know, got in our sleeping bags, got dry, got warm. You know, just did it the right way. We just got up here maybe about 15-20 minutes ago. It's cool. It's a barn that they outfitted to be a shelter. So this is what's the main deck. You have a whole upstairs area meant to seat 20. When you're getting ready to wake up, this is what you wake up to. It's great. Beautiful view. It would have been great to stay here last night, but honestly, you know, I think we did the right thing pulling up short and just getting dry, getting warm, that kind of thing. It was starting to get really cold, really windy last night. But beautiful view to start the day. It's just after 10:30. We've already been hiking for a while. We started about 9 o'clock. So we have 18 miles left to go, supposedly. We can always plan out to stay at a campsite before then, do what we need to do, but terrain is going to be super easy today and tomorrow. Trail is drying up from all the slush and everything. It's going to be a good day. In the meantime, we're going to sit here. We're going to snack up a little bit, drink up, enjoy this beautiful view. I'll talk to you guys further on down the trail. Well, it's finally official. I'm leaving North Carolina. Adios, North Carolina. You've been fun. You've been beautiful. You've been dreadful at the same time. Oh, man. It's been a ton of fun, but it's time to move on to the next state. So it's been a whole lot of fun, North Carolina. It's time to move on. You've given us some crazy weather, some beautiful weather, some good towns, good people. Whew. On to the next one, baby. Keep moving on. I'll catch you guys further up the trail. A hiker's life. Sitting on his butt next to a stream, eating snacks, doing nothing. Well, hi there. Yeah, so it's 3:15. We figure we're probably about 5.5 miles from shelter already. So we're sitting here next to some water, relaxing a little bit, taking the pack off, maybe get some stretching in, have a little bit of a snack. Today's been a good day. We finally get some favorable terrain so we can stretch the legs out when we've been averaging a little over 3 miles an hour. So we've been getting our breaks in, relaxing. It's been a beautiful day. Tonight, possibly a little bit of showers, but nothing really to write home about. Oh baby, this is the life. So yeah, it is. It really is. So we're gonna sit here for a few minutes. We have plenty of time. Gonna get on in, get on up. I'll catch up with you guys further on down the trail. It's been a beautiful day. Ooh-wee! So when I said a while ago we were 5.5, basically gut hooks kind of screwed up a little bit and gave me the wrong mileage from where we were at shelter at that point in time. So yeah, we ended up being really like 9 miles from shelter as opposed to 7.3 when I had checked. Yeah, you know. But in the meantime, we're only 1.5 miles from a nice little tent site. We're gonna stop here, enjoy this beautiful waterfall. I'm getting spritzed a little bit, which kind of feels nice. But spectacular view, spectacular waterfall. Totally worth getting off trail, 0.1 miles. It's rare that we do blue blaze, but we did, and I'm so glad that we did. So we're gonna sit here, enjoy. This is spectacular. Long day, well worth this though. I'll talk to you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, Baba Ganoush out. Now this is a nice way to start the day. Would you just look at it? It's beautiful. Hi there. Just look at it. So it's Friday, April 19th, something like that, day 37. It's great. We did like 20 miles yesterday, stayed at a really nice quiet campsite. We're just close to Mountaineer Shelter here. We'll stop and have a quick stretch this morning, I guess. But we're gonna be doing about another 19 miles today, getting up to there's one resupply point. There's a shelter right near it. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put that in there later. But in the meantime, we got another long day today. It's just going on 10 o'clock. We have been hiking for a good hour kind of thing. But once again, we don't have really tough terrain. We're just gonna take our time. We know we can do the miles. We're gonna get there. Tomorrow, we're gonna be possibly going to see Super Troopers 2, so it will be a 0 day, so we don't mind getting a little bit later. In the meantime, enjoy the falls. I gotta keep on moving on. I'll see you guys further up the trail. The falls are definitely falling. Beautiful. We are up here at Laurel Falls, which is about a quarter mile before the shelter. It's just going on 6:30. We have plenty of time to get up there. So I took the pack off, walked on down, and I figured I'd enjoy this beautiful falls for a couple minutes. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful day. What a way to end it. Look at the falls. It's amazing. Now you can actually swim down below there, but even in the guidebook they advise to stay away from the waterfall because it actually is fairly deep and it creates like a whirlpool effect and sucks you under. So you can go swimming in there, just stay away from the waterfall, please. Oh my goodness.
I did.
How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to April 20th, day 39, I believe it is. 38, 39, one or the other. I'll leave it down below. I'll figure it out from there. But we just resupplied in Hampton, Tennessee. Cool little trail town. You know, not a whole lot of amenities, but they do have some of the basic essentials. They have a couple quickie marts. They have a couple little small diners and restaurants, McDonald's. We didn't stop at the McDonald's, of course. They do have a Dunkin' Donuts there as well. Didn't stop there. We stopped at a cool little local mom and pop restaurant place, had a good bite to eat, a really good bite to eat. Resupply at Dollar General, and now we're hitting back out to the trail. We're not gonna do a whole lot of miles today. We've been busting out a lot the last few days, and especially we have like a 1,700-foot incline right in front of us that only goes for about 2.5 miles, so it's a tough incline. Today, we're just gonna resupply, we're gonna relax. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful, beautiful afternoon that we have here as well. There's some great campsites right along the river that we're gonna hit, and we're just gonna enjoy today. You know, that's the whole point of being out here. Yeah, sure, we like to do the miles, we like to get to where we need to go, but at the same time, we're out here to enjoy ourselves. How you doing back there, Fernando?
I'm doing real good, Bob.
Real good. So we got into town, charged up a couple little things, got some food, got some resupply. It's time to get back out to the trail life. We'll get on into camp. I'll pop you guys out later, but really this afternoon, just about rest and relaxation. I'll see you guys further on up there. Good morning, everybody. Saturday, April 21st, day 39. We got a nice little fire going this morning. It's a chilly morning. We're only doing 15.5 miles today. Yeah, we got a nice incline, but it's nice to just take our time in the mornings, relax a little bit. It is a chilly morning, so we're gonna stay warm by the fire, have our breakfast. A little bit of condensation built up in the tents last night because it did get pretty frigid. So we're just letting those things air out, dry out, and then we're gonna eat our breakfast, pack up and go. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, mid-50s and sunny. Gonna look forward to it. Not looking forward to the serious climb that we have though. It's like 1,700 feet over 2.5 miles. Lovely. In the meantime, let me warm up, let me put you away, let me eat my breakfast. I'll see you guys further up the trail. How we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush. Welcome back. Oh man, it's been a good day. So we're only about 2 miles from shelter already. It is 20 to 5. Fantastic time we're making here today. Yeah, it's been a warm day. You know, it's been a relaxing day, however, as well. We haven't really been pushing the pace or anything. We know we're gonna do the miles. It's just been a nice relaxing day. We've been hiking with a group of people, you know, stopping and meeting up and chatting and stuff. So all in all, just a really good day. Except for one little thing. My left shin, I don't know what it is, but I woke up the other morning and the tendon that just runs right up your shin bone, it's just super tight. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I just slept awkward or something like that, but it was perfectly fine for a few days. You know, no problems whatsoever. I woke up yesterday morning and of course we had to hike into town, and it was just super tight. It was starting out pretty good this morning. You know, at camp last night, I dipped my legs in that cold river water, you know, massaged it out, stretched it. It was doing great up until probably about a couple miles ago. So certainly it's stretching itself out, it's working its way out. But as soon as I started tightening it up, again, it's painful. I'm just ignoring it right now. I'll take some Advil or some Motrin when I get into camp tonight and just try to keep it loose, keep it stretched, massage it out. It'll work itself out. Just one of those aches and pains that you got to deal with on your through hike. This is what you get for being 400 some odd miles in. You know, little aches and pains start creeping up a little bit. In the meantime, I got to get up to water here. I'm running really low. When I get up to water, we're only about 1.5 miles from camp. It's going to be a beautiful night. You guys stay tuned. Catch up with the guys further on up there. So how we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush here. It is Sunday, April 22nd, a beautiful day. Oh man, day 40 we got here. It has been spectacular thus far. Oh man, it is just a little after 12:30. We've been hiking since just a little after 8 o'clock this morning. The reason being, we got a big day in front of us. We're gonna be doing about at least 20 miles, possibly even 23 plus. You know, doing the longer mile today will set us up a little bit easier tomorrow, rolling on into Damascus. That's right, Monday, April 23rd, we will be in Damascus. 470 miles in only about 41 days. That is a really nice average. That's including taking quite a few 0 days, you know, kind of playing the weather a little bit as well. So we're really happy with that time. We're on schedule to finish at a really nice, convenient time. All things considered, I have a friend's wedding September 1st, so I got to be back by then. He's going to be mad at me if I'm not. Oh man, beautiful day. So as you can see last night by those fantastic pictures, we just cowboyed it last night, cowboy camped it, just right on the ground, right behind the shelter. We had a spectacular view last night, and we had an amazing sunrise this morning. Oh man, that really just... Yeah, so I slept so well, so nice and relaxing. It was a nice cool night as well, in like the mid 40s. Slight breeze coming through, but I was nice and toasty warm in my sleeping bag. I slept fantastic last night. Oh man, I feel so nice and refreshed today. It's a good thing too, because we got a long day. So we don't have all that much tough terrain today. We don't have some crazy climbs like we've had the last few days and things. So today, stretching out the miles definitely seems more practical than it has the last few, and yet we've still done some really great miles. We're looking to get into Damascus. We're going to take 2, maybe even 3 days in Damascus just to experience the town a little bit. We might try to get a ride to the town next over where there's a movie theater, so we can go see Super Troopers 2. You know, and kind of enjoy ourselves a little bit. It's supposed to be a spectacular town. They got a good brewery in town, a couple really nice outfitters as well. It's arguably the most popular trail town along the whole AT, probably not including Harper's Ferry, but in that case, we're still going to enjoy ourselves. In the meantime, let me put you away. We got some long miles to do. I'll take you out periodically to give you some updates, but all I'm going to be doing is hiking today. Oh man, beautiful day. Let's get to it. The bears. Yeah, we just had our first bear encounter.
We got a live one.
We had one. So it probably was only maybe 250, 300 pounds. Yeah, only. But it was cool to finally see one. We even heard from someone not too long ago that this is just a huge hotbed for bears, this particular area here in Tennessee leading up to Virginia. Of course, I take out the GoPro as soon as I start heading uphill. But it's cool. Finally see a bear. Go figure, we're like 2.5, 3 miles from shelter. It's been a long day. When we get to shelter, that'll be 22.7 miles for today. Long journey. And we're still not there yet. But it's been very favorable terrain. Really haven't had any problems whatsoever. But nonetheless, a long day. We're looking forward to getting into Damascus tomorrow, taking a few days off, visiting the town, seeing what it's all about. We're staying at a really cool place tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned in so you can see our residence for tomorrow evening, I guess you can say. It's gonna be pretty cool, just wait. Woo! In the meantime, gotta climb this hill, and we saw a bear, baby. Woo! Saw a bear finally. Took only 5.5 weeks, especially going through the Smokies, where everyone sees a bear and we didn't see any. Kind of disappointing, but we got one. I'm gonna put you away, catch my breath, get up onto shelter. I'll talk to you guys later on tonight. It's Monday, April 23rd, day 41. Today, we're reaching a couple really cool milestones, a couple really cool goals. Number one, we're crossing over into Virginia, which is huge. So that's 3 states down, only 11 more to go. But another thing is we're gonna be getting into Damascus sometime this afternoon. So Damascus is arguably the most popular trail town along the whole Appalachian Trail. Has some really cool stuff in there, some good outfitters, some great food, some really cool hiker hostels and stuff as well. Just wait until you see the place that we're gonna be staying in tonight. I reserved a good one. It's gonna be a ton of fun, nice and relaxing. In the meantime though, I gotta get through this crappy weather. As you can see, I'm all bundled up. It is a cold, wet, and windy morning. It had been raining since about 9 o'clock. It's about 10:30 right now. So yeah, you know, staying dry, staying warm. The wind, most importantly, has just been awful. So I'm wearing head-to-toe rain gear right now, mostly just to protect myself from the wind. But you know, toss the rain gear on, put like a good layer underneath to help keep yourself insulated, and you'll be good to go. Finally, it cleared up a little bit, so I'm drying out. Take the face out of the mask a little bit. And hopefully skies clear up and we'll have a pretty decent afternoon. Who knows though? Who knows? So let me continue on. We only have about 10 miles to do today and we're already about 1/3 of the way there. Gonna get on into Damascus and have a great afternoon, a great evening, get some good food, see the town a little bit. I'll see you guys further up the trail. How we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush here. So we're here in Damascus. It's been a whole lot of fun thus far. We've gone to the post office, taking care of what we need to. Take a look at where we're actually staying tonight. Oh man, look at this thing. Look at this. We're actually staying in an Airstream tonight. This is called the Hiker Inn. They have a cool hostel. Really, really cool place. Nice place as well. The lady who runs it is so amazing, so friendly. And they do actually have an Airstream that you can rent off the back. And that's where we're staying tonight. It's really cool. We're going to go get some food right now. When I come back, I'll give you a grand tour of the inside so you can see what it's all about. It's going to be a great time here in Damascus. We're going to be staying here for a couple days, in fact, and visiting the town. Like I said, possibly getting off to go see Super Troopers too. In the meantime, we got to go get some food. We're gonna have a great nice day over there. I'll talk to you guys real soon.